Here's the messy work truck. What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Oh, we got a couple appliances in a basement.
Let's go get them. Come on.
Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Are you okay?
Here we go. Point of entry.
Fridge?
So the freezer.
This morning?
News on what? Oh, Iran. No.
Figured I'll ask, but do you mind if I record? I have a chest strap on here.
Oh.
Okay, awesome.
Well, in that case, you need some lighting.
Appreciate it.
Awesome.
This hardwired? Looks like they hardwired it. Normally it's just an outlet. You just plug it in.
The thing goes all the way up there.
It's wired directly to a breaker.
First time we've ever seen that. Or me, at least.
Okay, now, just make sure it's dead.
So we just have to clip the wire, or? Oh, there we go.
Cut it, or
Maybe we should do it this way instead. So we need some tools. Is this one ready to go? We can go bop it up and then go grab some tools.
If you guys are stronger than I am, which you are, yes.
Yeah, it's on hook to me, so. It's what?
it's not too heavy.
Oh, yuck. Soggy socks to start the day.
Did you want these hoses?
Yeah.
Okay. You do? Fine.
Get a hold of this thing quick. Okay. That wasn't bad. That is the start to the morning. No warm up or anything. Typical day here at WeHaul. We're gonna walk the dog here. I'm just kidding, but
I just realized, I think that last load is still in there.
Oh, really?
oh,
Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, probably will. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
Like constantly refreshing.
we gotta grab that fridge too. There's a couch and then maybe a bed. Then that's it. Well, that's obvious, but guess probably what I need. this. Okay, hold it steady. Tires are nice and flat. Alright, different approach. It's wider this way. Okay, well, maybe that'll work. There we go. Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. All right, we'll wait. 3, 2, 1. Nothing yet. 3, 2, 1.
The door is more reinforced than it was.
Oh, yeah. One more. Oh, I feel out of shape. That's a good way to start a morning. Oh. I'm tasting that one.
Metal in there?
Something. All right, couch, right?
I got rid of it.
Perfect.
So we're good there, but I still have the mattress and box spring.
Okay, let's get it done. Let's do it. Did someone take the couch or?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Basically, if I could give it away on Facebook, we did.
Yeah, it makes more sense than paying to get rid of it.
Yeah. Mattress. Box spring.
Okay, is this a light?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just. I know you're paying for a dumpster and you can't put it in there. What the hell?
They don't let you put box springs or
No,
mattresses?
mattresses in there.
Huh.
What, box springs are okay?
I don't know. That's why we're getting rid of it with you guys.
Yeah. Those bigger companies with the bigger bins, they don't want to have their drivers get out and hand unload the mattresses.
I guess I don't blame them.
Yeah.
Does that look like a...
Well, no, but I mean, I've seen lots of those things flying around. Well, I think I'll charge $195. All right, is that everything?
Yep, it is.
Okay, with no couch, you're looking at $195.
There you go.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure this closes.
Good. See Mike with me.
Yeah, these things?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could drop it off. That'd be. I'll do that. Alright. About to call our appliance plug. He takes things for free because he scraps them and takes fridges apart and takes the compressors out. So we'll see if he comes through.
Hello.
Hey Micah,
What's that?
I have 3 appliances in my trailer. Do you still take appliances if I were to drop them off at your house?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'll probably stop by shortly. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, where you want them?
You'll see a couple of appliances sitting by the carport if you're just sitting there.
Okay, perfect. I'll do that.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Bye. So the reason why I'm doing this versus moving off my day is because we are dropping a dumpster off. We are renting out a dumpster. That's what I love about our current setup, is that we have 2 bins. So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy for 2 guys. We do have the opportunity to rent out a dumpster for 1, 3, or 7 days. And that'll bring in anywhere from, $275 to $300, and depending on if it's a 7-day, it's usually about $400 all said and done. I don't have any Joe left. That's sad. Maybe I'll have to stop and get some coffee. But that is an unnecessary expense, right? Stopping to get a $4 coffee when I can make it for 20 cents at my house. I'm trying to live like an 18-year-old college freshman with no job here, so that I can put away as much money as possible. So that last job we charged I bid on that $225. The reason being was because everything was in the basement and we had to go through the cellar door. Our normal volume wouldn't be quite as high as I bid that one at. So if these things were just on the curb or in their driveway ready to go, it would probably be around like 150-ish, I would say. But there was additional labor. But in the end, they ended up getting rid of the couch themselves. So I took $30 off the price, and he ended up giving me a $5 tip anyways. So it worked out. I still, sometimes feel like we don't get paid enough for what we do in situations like that. But at the end of the day, it's like, that was a fair price, in my opinion, at least.
Okay, let's go.